Hello students, today we are going to start with lesson number 5 of geography, minerals. So what are minerals? Mineral is a substance which is found on the earth's crust and which generally has a defined chemical composition. So we can get these minerals from the earth's crust, and these all are learning term one by one. When we will discuss particular topic, we will discuss these terms also. So let us start with the chapter. So daily life, in routine life, we are using different things like chair, table, utensils, vehicles, fans, many things we are using. So that things are made up with different kind of metals. So from where we get those metals? So we get those metal from the minerals. And from where we get these minerals? So these minerals are there in the earth's crust. Okay, and we get these particular metals from those minerals with the process of refinement. So we are doing refinement, then we are getting those kind of different metals from the minerals. Here many other examples are given here, like railway lines, roads, cars, buses, trains, aeroplanes, even food that we are eating, they are containing some kind of minerals. And all stages of human development, human beings are using minerals. They are using minerals for their livelihood, for decoration purpose, for the festivities, religious and other ceremonial rites. They are using different kind of minerals. So then question is, what is this mineral? So as a geologist define, mineral are homogeneous. Homogeneous means that are of same kind. Homogeneous, naturally occurring. It means we are getting from the nature only substances which definable internal structure, that are having particular structure, those are known as minerals. And minerals are found in varied form in nature, ranging from the hardest diamond to the softest talc. So these minerals are, some are hard, some are hardest, some are soft, and the hardest is diamond. Sometimes question could be there, write down the hardest mineral, then your answer will be diamond, and the softest is talc. So here question is there, why some are very hard, some are very soft? Then it is due to their composition. So few minerals like limestone, these consist of a single mineral only, but majority of rocks consist of several minerals in varying proportions. So due to this, few are hard, few are soft. Okay, now we know what are minerals, from where we are getting these minerals, but how or with which process we can get the minerals? So extraction of minerals are by mining, by drilling, or quarrying. So let us start one by one. So first one is when we are taking this first point, mining. So mining is further divided into few parts. First is open cast mining, as by its name it is clear. Open, when we are removing the upper portion, like this ground is there that are having minerals beneath this outer layer, and they are not very much deep. So only the need is to remove that upper part or very thin layer of this, then used to dig up this land portion, and they can get the minerals, and this process is known as open cast mining. So this is the picture of this open cast mining. And two reasons could be there to use this open cast mining. First, that I already told you, that is not very much deeper, means it is shallow depth is there, then easily we can get that minerals just by removing the outer thin layer. Then the second thing could be there, that's the layer that is covering that particular type of minerals, they are relatively thin, or the material of interest is structurally unsuitable for tunneling. It means that is not suitable for this tunneling. We cannot make tunnels under the earth's crust to get that minerals out. Okay, then second is shaft mining or shaft sinking. This refers to the method of excavating a vertical or near vertical tunnel. So in this process, we are making tunnels. Generally, tunnels are in this way. So we are making tunnels in this way, like we are digging like this. But these shaft mining tunnels are vertical or near to vertical. It means we are getting minerals that are beneath this particular area, and we are not having any access with this bottom area. So then we will, what we will do, we will do this kind of shaft mining, and then we can get the minerals out with the help of this particular mine. Or sometime minerals could be there in this particular area, then we will make this kind of mines, then we can get the minerals from this particular area, then again with the help of this we can take those minerals out from here to here. Then third one is drilling. Drilling is a process under which deep wells are bored, like for tubers to get water. We are doing this kind of drilling. Then these are the deep wells that are bored to take the minerals out, like petroleum and natural gases that are far below the earth's surface, means very deep. Then to get that out, we are using this drilling process. So for this we can get even the deepest mineral, like they are doing drilling. And for example, we are here and that particular minerals are available very deeper, then what the process is to drill that particular area and to get these minerals out. And fourth one is quarrying. Quarrying is near about similar with the open pit mining, and these minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. As I told you, it is similar to first one. For example, minerals are available near the outer part, and simply we can just dig this area, dig out this area, and we can get the minerals out. Okay, so these are the process through which we can get the minerals. Now next topic is types of minerals. So two kind of minerals are there. So, or simply we can say that minerals are divided into two main groups. First is the metallic mineral and second one is the non-metallic mineral. And metallic minerals are further categorized into two parts. This we will discuss with the topic. So let us start with first, that is metallic minerals. If question is there, write down the types of mineral, then you will write minerals are of two type. First is metallic mineral and second one is non-metallic mineral, and further you can categorize the metallic minerals. Then metallic minerals are those from which we obtain metals. It means the minerals that are having metals, that are containing metals like iron, gold, copper, silver, aluminium, tin are some of the important examples of metallic minerals. Then metallic minerals may be ferrous and non-ferrous. Then another division of this is, first is ferrous, another one is non-ferrous. So what are ferrous minerals? Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, and chromite containing iron. And it means those who are having iron, that is under this ferrous. And a non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper, or lead. It means those metallic minerals which are having iron, known as ferrous minerals, and other metallic minerals that are not having iron, that are known as non-ferrous. Sometimes question could be there, give few examples of ferrous minerals or non-ferrous, then you can give example from here. Okay, now second main, that is non-metallic minerals. So non-metallic are those which do not contain metals, those who are not having metal in it, like coal, mica, sulfur, potash, petroleum. These all are the examples of non-metallic minerals, means they are not having metals. Then energy resources, that are minerals. Man has been using different resources of energy at different stages of his growth. In today's world, due to industrialization and modernization, energy resources are considered the backbone of any kinds of economic development. So from here question could be there, which is known as the backbone of economic development. Then your answer will be energy resources. So due to increase in population and development, demand for energy resources has increased considerably. There are basically two types of energy resources. So why the demand of these energy resources are increasing day by day? Due to, your answer will be due to the increase in population and development, demand of energy resources has increased. Okay, so when we are discussing about the energy resources, so further these energy resources are of two types. First, non-conventional energy resources, and the second one is conventional energy resources. So let us start with first one, that is non-conventional. Very important topic this is. Non-conventional are renewable, that we can renew again and again. So these are renewable energy resources and are those which can be used again and again and can be renewed in a short time. Like water, solar, wind, and tidal are some of the examples of non-conventional energy resources. Like we are using energy that we are getting from wind. Then when we consumed, then again we can get that energy from the wind. So that are non-conventional. Second one is the conventional energy resources. Those energy resources which once used cannot be replaced in a short time. It means we cannot renew those energy resources after using them, and these are called conventional energy resources. Examples of conventional energy resources like coal, minerals, mineral oil, natural gases, etc. are some of the non-renewable resources or non-conventional energy resources. For example, we are using coal. So when this coal will be finished, then we cannot renew, we cannot make coal in short period of time, so it will be once finished then cannot be renewed. Conventional energy resources. Okay, now we are going to discuss these one by one. First is coal. Remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuel. It means the time process is millions of years. So with the remains of plants and animals that were buried under the earth million years ago, and due to the heat and pressure that are there, those plants and animals, we can simply say the dead plants and dead animals that were buried, they changed into fossil fuels. Then fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas are the main source of conventional energy. So from here question could be there, write the name of main source of conventional energy. So that is coal and petroleum. Coal is the most important source of energy. Which is the most important source of energy? Coal. Now its importance had declined due to the invention of hydro and atomic energy. But still it is the major source of energy for the industries. Another question, write down the name of major source of energy in industries, that is coal. So, coal is very useful, very important energy resource, but in these days we are using hydro energy, atomic energy. That's why coal is reducing its importance, but still this is the most important source of energy. And coal can be treated to yield both gaseous and liquid fuels, and it is the source of variety of manufactured chemicals. And the use of coal, from here main question is there, the use of coal. Energy is discouraged. Why? Question could be there. The use of coal or the use of energy resource coal is discouraged in these times. Why? Or why we should not use coal? Answer will be because it causes environmental pollution. Burning of coal release carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and other harmful gases which lead to smoke, acid rain and toxic air pollution. So because when we are burning this coal, these kind of many harmful gases are releasing that are very harmful, that are causing pollution, acid rain, toxic air, many diseases. That's why we are discouraging, or we should discourage the use of coal. Next is the distribution of coal in world. Countries names are mentioned here. China, United States of America, Russia, Ukraine and India are some of the major producers of coal in the world. And most of coal mines of the world are in the northern hemisphere. So this is the northern hemisphere. USA is the largest producer of coal in the world. So from here two questions could be there. Write down the name of countries which are major producers of coal and largest producer of coal in the world. Then your answer will be USA. Or which hemisphere is having coal maximum, that is northern hemisphere. Then is the distribution of coal in India. Here we are talking about particular India only. That is Bihar, Bengal, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. These are the major producers of coal in India. And Raniganj, Jharia, Korba and Naveli that is in Tamil Nadu, are the main coal mines in India. So these are the mines, coal mines, and these are the areas in India. Okay, so today we will discuss up to this coal only. In our next video, we will discuss from mineral oil. So till the time, watch this video. If any confusion is there, you can just message me. Thank you.